Hello guys, welcome to our Fortune video creation. This video is produced by Divin and Indra. So this Fortune video is basically under the topic of global challenges in recruiting international staffs. Actually, there are 5 parts to be covered. Firstly, introduction. Secondly, issues. Thirdly, solutions. Fourth is fact and statistics, and final is conclusion. Before we jump into our topic, we need to know what is expatriates, or also can be called as foreign workers. Expatriates aka foreign workers are actually an individual living things who having citizenship in other country and working in other countries to gain their life. Yoo-hoo! Here we jumped into the main part and also the interesting part of the video, which is containing the issues. The issues will be underneath the global challenges which will be facing to recruiting all the international staffs. There are many challenges when it comes to global, so we have listed out some of them for you at down here. So now I will be explaining some of the challenges for you guys. The first point I'm going to explain is about organizational linkage. Staff management actions can only result in a global competitive advantage if they are linked to the actions and strategies of the organization. For example, when considering a location outside of the US, it's important to have an idea of how that location's employee will communicate with your company at headquarters and other locations. Secondly, I can explain about training and development. This is because the staffs all over the world will not having the same training and development program that they have in their own countries. So there will be a barrier to continue the organizational vision and mission to the top. Lastly, I would like to explain about the cultural expectations. In terms of different cultures and norms, the move from a new employee's home country to their new location can be huge change for the candidate. It is vital that any of do's and don'ts are communicated new employee for their new location. And now we are going to dive into the solutions part, which enables us to overcome the challenges. The first solution is hire with an experienced partner, so we can avoid any other don't wanted things happens. Second solution is clear about the requirements, so when hiring we get the perfect staff. The third solution is train hiring team, and also the fourth solution is able to learn about the new culture to make the staffs easy. And now I'm gonna show you some facts and statistics which is related to the topic that we are going to do in a Powtoon video. The first statistic is shown the bar chart above of effectiveness of recruitment channel worldwide in 2018. So it shows the effectiveness program of the hiring staffs internationally. So secondly, this picture is showing about a global talent recruitment survey which has been done by McQuarrie Institute, which is stating that international talent recruitment is highly competitive. And lastly, this is the bar chart which has been showing that the largest global staffing firms in 2014 from its revenue. And lastly, here it comes to the conclusion. In conclusion, basically employers need people who are willing to work abroad and international experience, which is particularly important for the most senior positions of the organization surveyed. Human resources having much challenges in recruiting international staffs and with a lot of problems finding in its way. And yeah, thank you very much for watching our Powtoon video.